how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's the plan for this video. Instead of rambling about stuff you probably don't care about, just to stretch this to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you the best VPNs for Shein right now, plus a few key things about each. That way you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my entire research doc totally free and dive in all year long, no joke. Alright, let's jump right in. Top 3 VPN services for Shein and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Shein. Why? First, it works perfectly with Shein, which is super important for smooth shopping without any geo-blocks. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested, so pages load instantly and checkout goes without a hitch or lag. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there for secure and smooth browsing. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, and their support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best tech available, keeping your payment info and browsing safe. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no problems, and reasonably priced for what you get. Negatives, only a 10 device limit, but that should be more than enough for most shoppers. Second best VPN for Shein is IPVanish. Why? It's a no BS, straightforward VPN built for pure performance and privacy. Speed, incredibly fast, with low ping and zero lag while browsing Shein, so your experience stays smooth. Features, it has all the essentials plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only Shein traffic through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, usually cheaper than most but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs? No, none, and their no-log policies independently audited. Encryption? Best available, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds a bit nervous. But their no-log audit checks out, and their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, and secure, a set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for seamless Shein browsing with great value. Third best for Shein is private internet access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization out of these three. Speed? Very good. Tons of servers means you can always find a fast, uncrowded one near you for smooth Shein shopping. Features? Packed with goodies. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is pretty good and professional. Logs? No. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top tier and customizable. Negatives like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't quite as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best choice if you're on a budget but still want a huge network and advanced features for safe Shein shopping. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Shein: NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even picking one based on the logo or colors will get you solid performance for Shein. They just work. Quick recap to wrap up in case you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall for Shein, a premium feel, tons of features, and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that's amazing value for your money. Choose PIA if you're on a budget but want a massive server network and plenty of advanced options for safe Shein shopping. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can get the best deal. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.